Is it time to buy or sell China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we will explore China Liberal Education Holdings Limited in depth. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has categorized China Liberal Education Holdings Limited as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.81. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 40.2% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 40.2% to 7,369.44%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of around 51.75% over the upcoming 12 months, with a potential return that could vary between negative 100% and 9,144.6%. This corresponds to a price range from $0 to $13.70 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited includes the headline, High Volatility in China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $0.148. The China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price fell by 98.09% on the last day Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, from $7.75 to $0.148. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 693.53%, from a day low at $0.130 to a day high of $1.03. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 97.07% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 264 million shares, but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 290 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $42.92 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $52.05, and the lowest price was $0.130. Currently, the price is 99.72%, or $51.90, below the 52-week high, and 99.99%, or $2,353.35, below the all-time high on August 28, 2020, when the price reached $2,353.50. China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, trading under the symbol CLEU, has recently regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement, marking a significant milestone for the company. This development follows a notification from Nasdaq dated January 10, 2025, indicating that CLEU met the necessary criteria, effectively resolving the compliance issue that had previously threatened its listing status. The company's earlier struggles to maintain a minimum bid price, recorded in August 2024, raised concerns among investors. However, regaining compliance can instill confidence in the stock and may attract both institutional and retail investors seeking stable opportunities. In the short term, this rebound could positively influence CLEU's stock price, providing a boost as it eases uncertainties surrounding its Nasdaq listing. Additionally, in December 2024, CLEU announced a share consolidation, converting 15 shares into 1, which could also contribute to an increase in share value as the number of outstanding shares decreases. This type of consolidation typically stabilizes the stock price, making it more appealing to investors. Despite facing revenue challenges due to project terminations in the last fiscal year, the company maintains a strong gross margin. In the long term, focusing on growth strategies in the educational technology sector could further enhance market perception and lead to sustainable financial performance. Overall, the recent developments suggest a cautiously optimistic outlook for CLEU's stock as it navigates these changes. Analysts have assigned China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The stock of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $6.14 and $4.06. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 28, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 98.1%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that this stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average has issued a sell signal 2 days ago. Likewise, the long-term moving average also presents a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 22 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average reflects a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average similarly indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 8 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock exhibits significant intraday movement, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 90 cents between its high and low, which represents a staggering 693.53% change. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 143.7%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies may encounter downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios could suggest insufficient profitability and possible risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and utilize volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the other hand, there is no substantial support from accumulated volume below. This indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who is adept at navigating such situations. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock a good buy? The stock of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have assigned a negative evaluation to this stock. Due to certain minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a buy recommendation to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 31st of January, we expect China Liberal Education Holdings Limited to open at approximately 288 cents and begin trading at around 436 cents. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.